Okay, everyone, in this episode, it's not only about the exterior than the previous videos, but it also give you a lot of interior design inspiration, which is this is about the vintage style and vintage design of interior tiny home, as we can look for this video. Okay, I hope you will get a lot of inspiration and you will get a lot of design insight of this video of vintage tiny home. Okay, let's watch. Okay, the first design of vintage style tiny home interior with a soft color palette. The room has a cozy atmosphere with a plush rug, a comfortable sofa, a wooden coffee table, and a potted plant. There is a bookshelf filled with books and decorative items. The walls have a light blue color and have a few hanging items. The room has a small kitchen area with a stove, a sink, and a few appliances. The overall room has a vintage charm with its wooden elements and antique items. Then the second design of a vintage style tiny home interior with soft colors. The room has a cozy atmosphere with a beige sofa, a wooden coffee table, and a green plant. There's a vintage lamp with a green shade and a wooden shelf above the sofa. The walls have a light blue hue, and there are white curtains near the window. The floor is made of wooden planks. Okay. Then the third design, a vintage style of a tiny home interior with the soft colors. There is a pink couch, a white chair with a floral pattern, and a wooden table. The walls have a floral wallpaper, as we can look from here. There are also the lamp, a plant, and a decorative item, and the floor is made of wood. Okay, and the fourth, this is the last design, a vintage style of a tiny home interior with a soft color palette. The room has a cozy atmosphere with a comfortable sofa, a small dining table, and a few decorative items. The walls are painted in a light blue shade, and the floor is covered with a patterned rug. There are also a few pot plants in the room. The lighting is warm and soft. Okay, so then which design do you like and consider as inspiration for your tiny house design? Please write in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and just wait for my next great video. Thank you.